Hello guys, happy weekend. I'm going to be analyzing all volatility pair starting from the beginning, starting from the 10 down to uh down to 250. So I'm going to be analyzing all the pairs. So stay tuned to this video. It's over, all right? So if you haven't subscribed, please click on the subscription button to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can get notification of my YouTube tutorial videos. All right. So on this particular trade, volatility 101S index currently on the 24 hours time frame. So this is, if you notice, this is the lowest price went before coming to this up and then giving us something like a double top formation. This is a double top formation. For those of us that are not familiar with double top, this is it. Price wasn't able to break this high. What happened? Price started shooting down and then instead took down this previous low that it's the current low that it's made here. So telling us that the sellers are now taking over the markets. All right. So that's why the sellers were able to pull the market back down to this low. And if you notice on that particular low, let me check this. If you notice on this particular low, this low was taken by this a little break of structure, telling us that the sellers want to come in, but the buyers took over from there, trying to give us something like an equal low on this particular period. So what I'm going to do, this low that price are broken. This is another zone. Price is coming back to this particular area. This is a zone that price is coming. And if you notice, this is a high also on the 24 hours time frame that price is currently trying to make a rejection. So once this high is broken, retrace back, target to this high. All right. Broken retrace back is going up. All right. If you broke back, retrace back here, it will come back down. So you can follow it accordingly, follow the market move, okay, until it will get to this one. So what we are going to do, since we have gotten the highs of this price, we'll go down to the 4 hours time frame to look to wait for what the price is going to do for us. So we are currently on the 4 hours time frame. The 4 hours time frame network is holding like this. Let's have some patience. Okay, it's upload. So this is it on the 4 hours time frame. And if you notice, this is the low that rejected the price, pushing up to take down this high. There's here. So I'll mark at this low to create a zone on this particular area. So I've created a zone here. So this is a zone that price can still come back and continue going back up. So whenever price break this particular zone, it's going to continuously selling. So now price is taking this high. So breakout, retrace back inside. All right. So price is trying to retrace back to this particular low, which push this price up. So which pushes price up. Currently on the 4 hours time frame, if you notice, price is doing this kind of move. You can take this analysis I'm going to make throughout the week. You can use it throughout the week because there I'm going to be ending at this 4 hours time frame. So whenever you see price, because price is definitely coming back to this low, so you can skip a little sell back to this low, or probably come back here to make here another double bid up that can push the price back to this zone. So you can literally enter a buy opportunity when price come to this zone. You can take a buy opportunity, sorry. I think that is for the sellers. You are going to take a buy opportunity when price come here. Okay, sorry, Steve. And stop loss will be up below, and then you target the next high. Just simple as that. All right. So this is it. If you want to still do some scalping, you can scalp a little bit down. You can do some scalping down, but is it at this low because price can give you some push up? But we are heading here. If price is able to come back here, massive sell on pushing back. So if price retrace back, take us out, we continuously selling, selling and selling. All right. So this is it. And we'll go down to the next, which is volatility 10. The one we just did is volatility 10 1S index. All right, this is just volatility 10. So I'll go down to the 24 hours time frame to see what the price is doing. At the 24 hours time frame, this is the low that price made. After this low, what happened? Our price pushed up to give us this high. If you notice, this high was taken out. So price pushed up to this high. Since made this high, it haven't gotten back here again. All right. So instead, this was the low that price started shooting. All right. So if this is a low, the price started shooting up from, and created pushing back, created this low, went back again, and finally give us a little big breakout here. So I will do the same. I won't consider this for now because price might come down. So let's go down to the 4 hours time frame to see a bigger view of this. So on the 4 hours time frame, I think this is a big view here. This is a zone that push the price up and then telling us that price is likely coming back here. If price should come here to make a rejection, it might give us a double bottom here that will push the price. But I can consider this because price might make more retracement back to this low because this is a zone that it broke. You see that price can make more rejection back here before continuously selling. Notice our price can give you a rejection here, not there's what price can do. It can give you a rejection. If we give it an equal up breakout to trace back and then push back to here, this will be a zone that can change the market direction and it will start selling. All right. Before it starts selling, this is a head and shoulder pattern that it gave us here. Before selling. So I have a book I wrote about my strategy. If you want to get it, you can send me a DM, all right? Or link in my bio. You see my number. Is it DM me on WhatsApp? So you can get the book. It will make it easier for you to trade profitably, all right? So this is it. Price trying to push up back to this 4 hours time frame. So we are looking for a sell opportunity when price shooting back here and price is going back down, so we can take this to ratio. We can take this to ratio, or probably price can still make some selling position around this zone, but this is a zone that we are interested in taking this selling position from. All right, this is it because this high can cause something majestic. Mark it out, yeah. All right, stop loss above the 3 weeks. So this it's you notice this is what we're expecting. So price can push all the way inside here, but there might be a rejection. If not even that might, there will be a rejection here pushing down. Then before the buyers can continuously pushing back to the side. This is a zone that we can take a buy opportunity from. So a sell opportunity from, and we'll go down to the 20 volatility 25, so 1S index, 25 1S index. This is it. Currently on the daily time frame, so I switched it on the daily time frame. If you notice, this pair is have been my favorite pair since I've been trading. This is it. The highest level price went and the lowest level price went. If you notice in here, there have been a consolidation. Price have been consolidating in here. So nothing to say about that. And those are the two zones that are holding the price. And price currently break this high, which creating this low days here. So and price is giving us this high above here, which is trying to make some rejection from this particular zone. If you notice this zone, this high is acting as a support zone. Sorry, as a resistance zone to price. So if price break above retrace here, we look to buy back to this zone, and then this can cause price to fall. And if price should retrace here, you know that price is coming back to this low. So it can be giving a short trade on the back here or back to this low. Or probably if we give you a double top formation here, you can look to sell back to this low. All right. So this is it. But if price should break above this particular price, particular zone, look to buy to this. Look to buy to this. All right. So this is what I'm expecting on the 25 1S index. If price should break above here, we should look to buy back to this zone. Then we put our stop loss. This is about false risk reward ratio. You see that? And if price will break here, you can sell back to this low, right? So there you just it. and 25 1S index, and I will go down to the 25 index. Let's see what the price is doing at the 25 index. Let's go to the 24 hours time frame to see what the price is doing. On the 24 hours time frame, this is marvelous. And this low price created this low. Wow. And this is where price is currently trending to. Nothing if it's doing all these things, it's just coming here. This is where we can take a buy. Boom, on the daily time frame is signaling a correct buy at this particular area. You can take a buy back to this high. This is a massive buy. I won't be taking too high. You notice some people will drag to this uptrend. No, I'll be taking to this first high. If it breaks it, we trace back, I'll take another buy back to this high. This is the highest level that price made that caused the price to start selling. So this is it for the, let me share back. So this is where the price is telling us that it's coming, okay? And coming. So this is it. This is where we're expecting to buy the market. This is where we're expecting to buy price back to this high. So on the daily time frame, it's still coming back to this our support level, this low that price made here. This is a low that can signal a buy position. This is a 4 risk reward ratio. You see there's a massive buy there on the 25 index. And if we go down to the 25, there is a volatility 51S index. This is marvelous. On this particular trade, you notice this is a low that price is currently rejecting here. That price created that pushes price, push and then push up to this high. This push break out of this high. This is why it's considered a low. And this as well is considered a low. That is why you notice price is trying to make some rejection here, acting as a resistance level there. So I won't be taking it there. Instead, as a TRSS strategy, will take it to the high of the price. So if this high is broken and the next high price will be targeting is this high. So this is it on the TRSS strategy. This is volatility 51S index. So let's go down. This is a low that is created this low as well here on the daily time frame. And there's a low, you notice, and this is a the low that created that started the swinging. This is swinging market. This is where our strategy work best. This is where it works best. That's why if you are trading TRSS, you need to look for a trending markets. Market is trending upward, and that's when you can make massive profit from the trades. All right. So this is it, and that's why price is trying to make some rejections here. I will go down to the 4 hours time frame to see what the price is doing. On the 4 hours time frame, price shit. This is a massive buy, telling us that price is pushing up. Price is pushing up back to this high. Notice this is shift, market structure shift. Price broke this low, and then coming back to new this high that I created here. Then from here, price can be shooting back down. This is a buy. So most of us that want to take this buy, if you watch this video earlier and you're able to capture this buy, there's a nice one. Price will have to come in here and then continue going back up. So back to this high. Then this is a zone where we can be looking to sell the price back again. Since you missed the buy, we will not be panicking. And this is where we'll be selling the price. This is where we're selling the price when price have come here and our stop loss below. TP back to the down. This is about 4 is reward ratio. This is 5. I won't be going this end at 4. This is a massive drop here on the okay. Let me end at 4. Yeah, yeah. So this is a massive price. If price should break more momentum like this, you will see there will be a push in here. There will be a retracement back here. And before price will continue shooting back up to this high. This is a high that it will get to. Then before price will change direction. All right. I'm not targeting back to this low. No, I think this will be enough for all of us to be enough for all of us to make trades from. All right. Those of us that are trading 251S index, please save this analysis. All right. You guys should save this analysis. Share it to your friends. All right. To also make money from the financial uh trading. All right. From trading, they should also make money. Share to your friends. All right. Click the subscription button to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So we'll go down to the 50. There is okay, we have done the volatility 51S index. So we're going down to the volatility 50 index. Refresh 50 index. Let's see if there's a low that price is trying to make or rejecting from. I think no low. This is the low that price make here, which it have broken, telling us that the sellers are in the market after making this high double top here, and this is a massive drop on volatility 50 index. Wow. So this is it. And if you notice before price broke, there was a consolidation here, and price finally broke and give us a dodgy candlestick here, and the red continuation started pushing back down, and come back to this low. This is where price started rejecting from. This is where price started pushing back from, and it's a high that probably can the price should break it to target to this zone straightforwardly. And this is a high also that can reject the price back to continuously selling before it can go back here. So this is it. Okay, this is currently I didn't do that on the daily time frame. Oh, there's let me check it on the daily time frame. Let me bring the analysis. Let's start again. Sorry for that. There's my wrong. Let me see this. It's still the same, right? Yeah, I think price broke that. And on the daily time frame, you notice this the high price make a double top. For those of us that don't know how to identify double top formation, this is it. Push up here, came back again, wasn't able to take this high out, and then price started shooting back down, sell down, broke out of this low. This is a low that price broke out from, and then before continuously selling back. So having price to come back to this high, and if you notice it's acting as a high, this is a high as well, colliding with the low here, which is I always tell you guys that if you have a high, if you twist it backward, you'll notice that it have touched multiple times. All right. They have touched multiple times. So that zone can be a resistance, can be a support zone as well. So that's why whenever it comes to a high, price will short immediately. Or if it comes to a low, price will buy immediately. So you guys should pay attention to all these little things, all right? So this is it. And before price started shooting up, it made this low. That's pushing the price up. So and there's a high here at least I can also cause the price to retrace. So I won't be putting too much now. Let's go down to the 4 hours time frame to see what's happening. And the 4 hours time frame. And the 4 hours time frame is telling us that this is and this low was broken and then went down this the high. Created here. So and if this high is taken down, you put this high. So let's say this is a high also. I still see analysis. So if this high, just monitor what this price is doing. This high is taking, boom. Just going the buyers back here. Is it because price will make a rejection? It can retrace back to this zone and it can still retrace it and continuously break out. Retrace here, you enter a buy again, back to this zone. So you just be trading smart with the price. Don't need to hold trades till you get to this zone. All right. Trade will not be a proper time, okay? So you have to trade according to the market structures, according to market trend. Whatever you are seeing in the market, that's what you're trading. Okay, you're not trading what your mind is telling you. Price is going to get here, and price is going to get here. I'm going to be taking a long buy. I'm going to take a long buy once price break here. Ooh, what? And stop loss. Ooh, what? You know this price come here and then make a fake out, stop loss smash, and then going, or price will come back here, or let's say You notice price come back, it give you this formation, give you up to this profit here, come back for where it did not close, and then price turn and then smashed out to you. That's why you need to be flowing along. All right. If you break a high, you continue selling, buying, or you continue selling. If you break a low, you continue selling. If you break a high, you continue buying. So that is just simple as it. So if price will break this high, you look to buy. All right, back to this zone. So that is what we're expecting, and that is the high that price can break. And I will take this two ratio, this 2.78 ratio, this to what ratio, there's a nice one. Taking a risking two and then making four, there's a nice one. All right. So we are not being stingy in the market, we are just trading according to what we are saying. We cannot be taking TP to this extent. No, let's take it step by step. All right. So this is 50, volatility is 54 hours time frame. Let's go down to the 75 1S index. This is it on the 75 1S index, and you notice, wow, this is a massive buy on this pair. Wow. If you notice this is a low price, try to interrupt. You notice that I'm trying to create a zone here. Okay, this is a zone that is created here, and that's why price came back here and then started pushing back. So most of us paid attention to this price. We have entered immediately price created a double top. This is a high that always mark out that price we break before continuously going. And notice price took out this high. And then what happened? Price broke out with this momentum candlestick. It is back here. But have entered immediately here, and then price will follow you right along with the price. You can ride exit here. There's a good one. All right. Don't need to be stingy. So this is a high that price is currently coming. So there's a high that price is currently coming. And this is it. So if it comes to this zone, this is where we can short this trade. This is where we can short this trade at this high. We're shorting at this high. We're shorting at this high. And then we're taking TP around this. So this is it. We are going to be taking the profits around this particular zone. So we are not being stingy here, right? We are not being stingy here. So we have to flow along with the price. Whatever price is showing us, that is what we are going to flow along. Okay. And this is it where we're going to enter a sell opportunity back to down. We can enter it back to this here, back to this resistance level. This is about 3.6 risk reward ratio. And there's a good one. We don't need to be stingy, okay? We don't need to be greedy in the markets. Making that kind of money is a normalcy. And this is it. Where was we? This is 75 1S index. So I will be going to the 75 index. So we are done with the 15 index. We are going down to the 75 index. Let's see what the price is doing at the 75 index. I think the network is stretching a bit. Okay. So let's have some patience. Uh, what is happening here? Guys, sorry, the network's a bit distracting, and we are currently heading back to 75 index. 75 index. Let's see what the price is doing at the 75 index here. Price is sorry, let's go down to 75. Uh, this is 50, 75 index. Okay, this is it. Um, why is network being disturbing this night? Okay, I think we'll proceed to the next one. If this don't open, let's proceed to 100. Since 75, I don't want to open. I'll still say, okay, right now, this one I've opened, we'll proceed to 100. 1S index. So 100, 1S index, we are currently on the 24 hours time frame. So see what the 24 hours time frame is showing on the is a low. Wow, I've caught you. I've caught you. You see that? Price is gonna buy there is of course you this is high that price is heading to. Okay, price created a double top formation about around this particular area. And if you notice price created this double top formation here as well. So before coming down, breakout. This is a breakout for those of us that understand how to trade it. This is a double top formation, combo breakout. This is where you should have entered trade and then sell down. All right, so this is a high as well that can resist the price from on the daily time frame, 24 hours time frame. So we'll go down to the 4 hours time frame to see what the price is doing. On the 4 hours time frame, if you see, those zones are very, very fast. See, this is a massive trend on the 4 hours time frame. There's a massive one. And on the 4 hours time frame, there was this high. If this high is broken, then knows that price is going to take this high. Then with this high is broken, coming to this high. So there's just a symbol of it. Then if price should come here, give you a double top formation. Price should come here, give you a double top formation. Look to say. All right. If price should break, look to buy. Buy price back here. All right. So if price should break this low, price should turn up. Before price will get this low broken, you have to come back to this high or this high before that massive push that can take down this low. It will not just take down this low like that. You have to push up to this high, create a double top here or here. And then before the sellers will start taking in the market. So this is it on the volatility 100 index. Sorry guys for taking your time. It's network. Let's go down to the 100 index. We just did the 101S index. I think this is 100 index. Currently on the 4 hours time frame. This is 24 hours time frame. All right, price is an uptrend, creating up move. You notice price is swinging, started from here, created this move, create this move, this high, that is high. So this is an uptrend, created this low, push to this high, created this low, push this high, no, say high, have to get out, created this low, and then currency make this high. So from marking out, what are we actually looking for? This is a low, and if you notice, make this low double top here the bottom here before massively going up. And this is a low also that can reject the price. Just open your eye and look. Just see what the price is showing you. There is what you are just trading. All right. This is a low. And this is where the price started shooting from. All right. If this low is broken, come back here. This is another low that can push the price. This low is broken. This is another low that can push the price. All right. So this is it. And this high is a high. If price should continuously breaking this high, just look to the buy. All right. Price should continuously breaking this high. Just look to buy. Continuously buying. This is daily time frame. Go down to the 4 hours time frame to see what this thing. Our analysis is actually doing on the 4 hours time frame. This is a low that push this price up to this high and then come back to this low, related to this high. So this is a kind of a double top formation here. That price is trying to give us here on the 4 hours time frame. So if price can come back here and give us come back here and give us a rejection, because this is where price is coming, give us a rejection, buy back to here. All right. It's a zone that you can buy from. If price should break this low and then retrace back, look to sell back to this zone. All right, that is just simple, right? So look to buy when price retrace back to this low, you can buy back to this high. Okay, and stop loss will be below. All right, stop loss will be here. If we give you this formation, look to buy back. Won't advise to just take it back at least four is what ratio is okay. Don't be steady. All right, don't be greedy. I think price can still come fall back to this low. So if we take our stop loss below this low, mm, yeah, I think the two risk reward ratio is not bad. All right, volatility 100, 1S index. So this is it. Let's go down to the 151S index. 151S index. This is 151S index. If you notice, price created this low. Let's go down to the 24 hours time frame to see what the price is doing. So this is our 24 hours time frame, and you notice, let me see if there's a low that price is currently made and is going to reach. No low, no low, no really, no really, no really, no really. So we're just going to do this on a raw analysis, okay? And this is it, created this high bar, and this low, I think this low is currently being broken here by this price. So I won't consider this yet as a low because price haven't closed. It's a daily time frame, price haven't closed. So this is it, and this is a high here that is created. When this high is taken down, this is another high that is going back on the 24 hours time frame. If we go down to the 4 hours time frame, let's see what the 4 hours time frame is giving us. So the 4 hours time frame is giving us a pullback to this one, and this is a bias candlestick. So on the 4 hours time frame, it's giving us a low here, mark here. So here to here is a zone. I've created a zone between this zone with here. So if there's a break and retrace, look to buy, all right, back to this high or buy back to this high. There's where price is currently coming to. All right. When if price should break down, then look to continuously. I don't think there is a low there, but this is a high. I think it's now quite marked there. There's a high that's currently broke, and I think before the price will start going down, there will be a retracement at this particular area. This is where we can look to side the price. You need to be wise, looking at your sell zones and identifying them. All right, there's the one. There's the most important thing there. Let's take three ratio. Let's not be greedy, okay? Three risk reward ratio. Only 151 S index. Let's go down to the 251 S index. Wonderful. Let's see what is happening here on the 251 S index. So on the 251 S index, network is trying to come on this here again. So let's see what is happening. 251 S index. All right, it's finally opened. And 251 S index currently on the daily time frame. Let's see, is there low? And no low. So let's refresh back and then let's begin to pick our lows by ourselves. And this is a low that currently broke out, and this is a low that currently broke out, price shifting here, come back here. So, and created this low here. This was in the chart and understand what is trying to play out. Bam, this is a high. This is a high, and this is a low. You notice price broke out of this zone. Price broke out of this zone. So telling you that if you enter, you can enter continuation of the sellers. But I would say because this selling here will not be that massive. The one that will be a massive selling, then price I will approach here, then you can take a sell opportunity around this particular zone. And this is a three risk reward ratio. Nobody, all right. Two risk reward ratio, not too bad. Use it and enjoy. All right, let's go down to the 75 and let's see if that one is head on correct. Let's see what is happening in 4 hours time frame. Okay, it have opened. Let's see, is there low? No low, no low, no low, no low. This is the last low is made up, currently pushing up. So this is a break of structure we are breaking. The market, this is a high that is coming to. So when it gets to this high, this one we can look to. Wow, shot the price. Shut down to this. This 4 risk reward ratio. Wow, there's a massive one. 4 risk reward ratio, 75 on S index, and this is a high again. Okay. So identifying the highs and lows, this is your main work here as a trader. So this is it. This is what we are expecting on this pairs, all right? So just save it, share the video to your friends, all right? So get more people to get a watch and learn and also make money as well. Don't make money alone, all right? Don't be greedy. Share to your friends as well so that they can join you and make money. And don't forget to like and is it on the page. All right. If you have any page on Forex, crypto, or anywhere you want me to analyze, you can drop it on the comment section, okay? But if you don't have it's okay. All right. So I'll be dropping another analysis on the step index. All right. So this is it. This one is on the volatility index throughout this week. All right, this is what is going to play out. So just stay tuned and stay connected. Just pick out the trade and make some cool cash. All right. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay. So this is it. Take care and bye for now.